What's up guys? I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Chiski FS. This will be my first video on YouTube. I want to show you how I trade gold. Yeah, I use pure price action and market structure. So I will be showing you how I draw my support and resistance to determine when to make my next entry. So I just quickly scalp gold on what is that? We're on Friday. Okay, 7th May. So I want quickly scalp on gold. So I'm expecting like 40 or 50 pips before I get out. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be my first YouTube forex video I'm going to post my analysis. So subscribe and turn on the notification so each time I post a content like this, so you won't miss out. Hope you understand, guys. So let's quickly go back to work. So I'm on daily time frame. So what I will be looking for to draw my support and resistance at a psychological key level. I can't draw my support and resistance like in anywhere, like drawing my support and resistance, because market retest here, market retest here, market retest here, market retest here. Finally here is my strong support. Then because market retest here, go market retest here, market retest here, market retest here, definitely that area is my resistance. What the fuck? You're completely doing it wrong. Let me tell you most important thing. I want to make this video short. If you don't know a proper way to draw your support and resistance, that means you're messing up with the whole thing. So quickly, I want to draw my support and resistance at the obvious psychological zone. First of all, I will start with 1700. 1700 is my psychological zone. I can possibly type it, to make my chart accurate. You can see 1700. Then the next one will be 1750. Yeah, 1750. That's my next psychological zone on gold. This is my personal analysis. This is my personal strategy, and I've been using this for long. So this is my 1750. My next resistance zone. Then the next one will be 1800. The next one will be 1800. I want to quickly make this video as short as possible. 1800. I can possibly edit it. Then I want to show you the reason why I make my entry, and why I believe on it, that it won't hit my stop loss except it gets to my take profit. So I don't longer need these zones. Okay, if you notice very well, when market get to this point, it retests. 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 There are my psychological key points, my psychological zones. Okay, I don't draw too much of support and resistance on my chart, so I have to make it neat. I follow the trend, so no need of drawing this 1700. I'm just showing you example how I draw support and resistance. I know this is a short video, so I have to make sure I put everything in details. So my next resistance will be 18500. Sorry, what the fuck, why am I moving it? So 1850. So the next one will be 1850. That is my next resistance zone. My next resistance will be 1850. Then I'll now move to 4-hour time frame to see if market is still going, if market is still respecting my zone, and if you can see it clearly, when market get to that particular zone, either it retests. When market get to this particular zone, when market always respect the zones. So I'm not after the past results, I'm after the trend. So what next? Then I can possibly draw my zones, my middle zone in between 1800 and 1750. I can possibly use Fibonacci. The easiest way to draw it, I use Fibonacci. I use 50 Fibonacci. Then from 1750 to 1800, then this is my middle zone. 50 50 is my middle zone. And if you notice very well, when market, let me delete my Fibonacci, I don't need it anymore. Once I draw my middle zone, I remove it immediately. And look at what happens once market get to the obvious cyclical key point. It retests and starts, going up. It's very easy. So now market broke the strong 1800. This is my strong resistance. I won't wait for the test. Once market broke this resistance, so I'll be waiting for my next zone, so that it will get to my next zone, which is my next zone is 1850. It's in between 1850 and 1800. I'll look for the middle price line, middle price level, which is 1825. Let me edit it. 1825. If you don't know how I can use of Fibonacci, as I said it before, 15 Fibonacci from this zone to the next zone. Then I will apply my 15 Fibonacci. This is my 15 Fibonacci. Shit. So this is my I can zoom out, you can see it clearly. This is my 15 Fibonacci. This is my 15 Fibonacci. So I can possibly delete, possibly delete it, because I've already spot my mid in between this 1850 and 1800. This is my middle zone. So I will expect market to get to my middle zone, then I'll possibly take profit. So I'll go to 4-hour time frame, to see what I did. Now look at what happened here. Why do I make this trade here? Look at what happened. Look at what the incremental I saw. Immediately I placed the trade in between 1800 and 1825, the middle zone. Okay, I'm about to draw the middle zone. I can possibly use my Fibonacci just to avoid mistakes from here to this zone. So this is it, my 15 Fibonacci retracement. Then I can possibly delete the Fibonacci immediately. I don't need it. Now look at what happened. Look at the middle zone. I no longer need this again. Keep my chart neat. These are the middle zone. Now look at what happened. Let's go to 1-hour time frame. Look at what happened. The moment market broke the zone, you get to this point, then start doing a shopping market, ranging shopping market. I'll possibly draw a box, with trade structure here. I will draw box in between that zone. I'll be waiting for market to close above I'm waiting for market to close above this box because I know my next zone is 1825. So the immediate market close above the box, what happened? I placed my trade with the big risk management, so with a big loss size. This is my FTMO's account, FTMO. This is my challenge. This is my funding account. So once market get to this, break this box, I open, close above it. Then what happened? I place my trade straight up. Then my TP will be here. My TP will be at the next zone, which you can see it clearly. So I'm already making I think $200 now. I'm making $200 on my account. So I'll possibly wait for market to get to that point. Immediately market get to this point, then fine. It will be difficult for market to come back again at this zone to hit my stop loss. It will be very very difficult, like very very difficult market to come back to this my particular zone, this zone, to hit my stop loss. Rather, it will get to this point first before any reaction. That's why I possibly take the trade. If I go to 30-minute time frame, another candle will just open. I will expect it to hit my take profit before anywhere. I have already secured 50 pips or so. This is 70 pips, but once it get to like 60 pips or so, I will just take up profit because I place with a bigger lot size. You see, I'm making profit. I'm confident on this trade because I have nothing to worry about. This is not a demo account. This is my FTMO challenge account. So my profit is on count. Hope you understand. So this is a little way I can show you how I trade gold. I don't want to go back in details. So if you want to contact me, you can see my handle ChiskyFS. You can message me on IG, then I'll get back to you. So please subscribe below, so when I post a content like this, you'll be forced to see it. So thank you for watching. It's your guy ChiskyFS. Shield.